Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Alhaji Tajudeen Baruwa, President National Union of Road Transport Workers.
Okay, sir, today being the Workers' Day, how will you rate the welfare of your member and their income?
Well, our members already, you can see, we are many here. I think you can say almost 300 people are here today for May Day. It's once in a year, and we appreciate today, and today is very good for it's a Workers' Day for us.
Okay, sir, since your emergence as the national president of NURTW, what achievements can you give us?
We have many achievements, which I cannot be counting here, and we have many challenges. One of our challenges, zero challenge, is that there's a little issue between ourselves and our union, which the union was some people like me, I went to the court because some people just come from maybe around 6 o'clock. They want to come and attack in office and cast many things away in that place, which may take me to the court. Then I went to the court and win in the industrial court. Later, the other opponent said that they are not going to agree. They take us to appeal court also. We won in appeal court also. But today I'm telling you, we don't know their measurement, many name. We are yet to be in office. But today, by the grace of God, with the support of BOT chairman, I think everything is going down now. And by the grace of God, we are going to, is going to come back to the normal position.
All right. Lastly, sir, what is the union doing to stop the extortion by tout and law enforcement at motor parks?
We are doing a lot of things, but let me tell you first, you always people collecting dues from the public motor park, not only union. You see the union wear a uniform. Anybody that saw that without uniform is a tout. So we cannot compare the people that they are not wearing uniform as a member of the union. Any member of the union, you see them with uniform in any motor park across Nigeria. But anybody without uniform is not a member. That is true of this. That of the true story of the issue.
President, today is a Workers' Day. Is there any request from the federal government?
We are requesting from the federal government through awareness president. Which I believe awareness president is up to task to help the federal government.
Your name again, sir?
My name is Ibikunle Tajudeen Baruwa, President National Union of Transport Workers.
Thank you, sir.